Alright guys, today we've got this Audi A4 2 litre TDI, and it's just receiving our 4-stage carbon clean. We're just on the hydrogen cleaning now. This customer actually called us out regarding his DPF. He'd had a DPF light on the dash and also a fault code on the system. We've done our initial DPF checks, looked into the live data on the diagnostics, we've looked into the sensor and all the rest of it, done our manual pressure checks, and turns out that it's not blocked. So he's decided to go with a 4-stage clean just as a preventive measure. The car's never had a carbon clean to his knowledge, so we're just going to do the hydrogen clean. We've already done the EGR and turbo chemical clean, which is an intake cleaner. We're also going to do the fuel tank solution cleaners for the injectors, fuel lines and fuel pump and all the rest of it, and we're also going to do a DPF cleaner, just because there is a little bit of blockage in the DPF. It's nothing that should really be causing a major issue. We do suspect it's more sensor related, so we've reset all the sensors, got all the codes off, because the sensors can trip out every now and again. But if it turns out that the fault codes reappear, we're going to come back out, we'll test the pressure again just to double check it's not the blockage. If it is the blockage, then we'll clean it. If not, we will replace the sensor. But the blockage doesn't seem too much of an issue at the moment. It doesn't really concern me too much. So we're going to go with a 4-stage clean. Then we're going to, if it flags back up, we're going to come out and retest. Then we're going to replace the sensor, and then we'll go from there if there's any further issues.